Let me now take you to Uttar Pradesh. Jalaluddin alias Shangur Baba, a self-styled godman from UP, recently arrested for allegedly running a religious mass conversion racket, was reportedly a close associate of late gangster turned politician Atiq Ahmed too, according to reports. He had campaigned for Atiq Ahmed in the Shravasti Lok Sabha constituency, even shared stage with him during 2014 Lok Sabha elections. And now, a woman who has identified herself as a victim of Shangur Baba's network has come forward, and it's a disturbing account of abuse. Speaking to India Today television, she reveals, and completely overwhelmed in tears, the horrific ordeal she suffered not just at the hands of the Baba, but also the associates. Because she resisted, as she's alleging, any forced religious conversion, she was brutally tortured in turn, beaten, burnt in several places on the body, her face allegedly discovered too. We have changed her name, of course, given security reasons. And she's claimed how she was lured with the promise that she'll get a fantastic job abroad, likely in Saudi Arabia. But before that could happen, she was expected to convert as well. Upon returning home, she says her trauma did not end. Constant threats from the close aides, followers, and all of that, those threats are turning into death threats and has made her life difficult.
मेरी मम्मी को 2019 में मिला था पापा की शराब छुड़ाने के लिए। 2019 में हम बाबा से मिले, छांगुर पीर बाबा से। उन्होंने हमें एक तावीज़ दी और दुआ पढ़ी। उसके बाद हम अपने घर पे आ गए। उसकी रुद्र की बहन भी मेरे घर पे नाम बदल के आती जाती थी। 2024 में उसने कहा कि बाबा कानपुर आए हैं, उनसे मिल लो चल के। हम उसके साथ कानपुर चले गए। वो मुझे एक फतेहपुर मस्जिद में लेके गया, वहाँ पे मेरा ज़बरदस्ती निकाह किया। तब हमें उसका नाम पता चला, मेराज अंसारी है। वीडियो कॉल पे छांगुर पीर बाबा भी थे, उन्होंने मेरा नाम जैनब रखा था और एक सवा नाम की औरत को मेरी नकली माँ बनाया गया था मस्जिद में। 3 महीने तक उन लोगों ने हमें कैद करके रखा और उसके भाई भारत को इस्लामी मुल्क बनाने की बातें करते थे।
Let me now bring in on 5 Live my colleague Santosh Sharma. He's been tracking all the latest from Balrampur. Santosh, I think this is now significant because more and more victims starting to speak up will help the investigators understand further. What are the charges and how are the police really now investigating and heading on this lead?
The UPATS is investigating the whole case, and Changur Baba alias Jamaluddin and Nitu alias Nasreen. All these, both the key person of this whole illegal conversion, the syndicate masterminds are on UPATS remand. UPATS is interrogating and trying to get the clue of foreign funding which they are running a illegal religious conversion syndicate, not only from the Balrampur Utrala area. Even this syndicate was operating to Karnataka. Even the close aides, or we can say the close associates of Baba, were operating in Azamgarh also. And FIR was also being lodged against all those persons, those who were involved in this illegal conversion. And all those accused of those FIR were the close relatives of this Jamaluddin of Changur Baba. So we can say the ATS is focusing on the investigation regarding the syndicate of illegal conversion, its foreign funding, from where the foreign funding was coming, and how this foreign funding was distributed among those who were given the target of the Hindu girls to be converted in the Muslims, and all other associates, whether they were the societies for targeting these girls or the women, or their funder, their financiers. So UPATS is trying to get all each and every minor information of this syndicate.
Tell me about political showdown as well in the state of UP. Are the Samajwadi Party, other leaders also still reacting? Because of course one big question without a doubt remains, he had this massive property, whether it's land grabbing, how was the money coming from? And for 10 years at least, he managed to get away.
Definitely, it was 10 years, not only the 10 years, he was running this syndicate from 15 years, and even he shared the political campaign stage with Atiq Ahmed, mafia turned politician who contested this Lok Sabha election in 2014 from the Shravasti assembly. From that Shravasti seat, Atiq Ahmed was the candidate from the Samajwadi Party, and Daddar Mishra was the candidate of BJP. Changor Baba has shared the stage of Atiq Ahmed for polarizing the Muslim vote banks in the favor of Atiq Ahmed. So we can say Changor Baba was not only associated with the foreign funding of illegal conversion syndicate, also with the mafia turned politician
And
Atiq Ahmed.
clearly had
He's having
political
close,
support as well of a certain era. Santosh, keep tracking the latest on that. It's still a developing story. A lot of updates are expected on this big mass conversion racket charges. We'll be tracking that.